Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn off incoming call in iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to turn off incoming calls on your iPhone, all you simply need to is go ahead and open the settings app. Scroll down, locate and click on focus. Then click on do not disturb. Click on people. If allow repeated calls is enabled, go ahead and turn this off. Come to allow calls from, click on the drop menu and set this to allow people only. Then make sure you do not add any people here, and after that hit the bar button. Now exit the do not disturb page, swipe down the control center at the top right of your phone, locate and click on focus up and down menu, and then click on do not disturb. Now once you have do not disturb enabled or turned on, your iPhone will stop receiving calls from anyone henceforth until you go ahead and turn off focus. So that is exactly how to turn off incoming calls on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.